Hello, guys. Are you a proprietor? Are you a teacher? Are you a web designer? Then I have this amazing tutorial for you. In this training, I'm going to show you how to create stunning school management system. Yes, complete solution. Now, with this management system, teachers can mark student attendance. They can also add end of term results. Students can log in to check their end of term results. Parents can also do the same. So with this tutorial, parents can monitor their children. They can know what is going on in the school. I will advise you to watch this video to the end, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create this amazing website using WordPress and Elementor and school management system plugin. Everything for free. Okay, we are not going to use any pay plugin. All the resources that we are going to use in this tutorial are free. So if you're ready, then let us continue. By the way, my name is Amokwenes. I'm the founder of Irela Digitals and CrowdHost Ghana. Now, first of all, let's look at the kind of website that we are going to design. Let's go to the screen. Now, this is the kind of website that we are going to learn how to design. That is cloudhost.online. This is the website. Let me first refresh the page. And this is very amazing website. Let's go down here and let's look at this very beautiful one. Okay, our daycare, we have our benefits. Okay, everything looks so simple and amazing, right? Okay, so we have that is gallery, and I can go to that's our daycare, our teachers, or everything is looking beautiful here. I can click here to contact, and we have meet our team, whereby we have a student. Okay, so this is nice one. Some of the teachers here, and view all the teachers. You know something? With this one, I can just click here to view a teacher profile. So I can read profile about Dr. Richmond. Okay, so this is his profile, and I can go down, learn more about this teacher. If, let's say, for instance, I want to just read something about Hannah Boateng, I can just click on that to read more about this teacher, Hannah Boateng. Everything that I need to know about her is here. Or I can also go to About page, and let's see, it looks simple and beautiful, right? Good. And we have that. I can fun activities. I can just click that to learn more. This is just a demonstration website. Okay, I actually made this website for these tutorials. So look at very nice and simple footer with parent newsletter. So let me go. I can click here to go up. I can check student life. So over here, I can learn more about what goes on in the school, sports, our library, everything that I need to know. I can just go up again, and let's say we have tutors. Here, I can go through all the teachers' profile. So I can see all the teachers over here. You can just add another. I will show you, I will cover everything. Now let's go to contact. I don't have to do that. I can also go to login, and I can log in as a student. So I'm going to log in here as a student. Let's say the name of this student is student one. So that is the student name, and I can enter the password here. Login. Okay, so this is my dashboard, student one. I have my profile picture here. If I want to change the profile picture password, I can do that. As a student, I can just go here. I'm in basic 7, that is teachers 1. I can decide to check teachers. I can check teachers, and over here, student 1 can see that that is her teacher's name is Darius Amuakon, and that is mathematics teacher. Okay, the subject as is subject area. Okay, so I can, if I want to, I can click on the plus icon to see his contact in case if I want to reach out to him as a student from, let's say, assistant on homework or something of that sort. I can get his contact from here. I can also go to as a student. Maybe I want to have a look at the total attendance so far. So Number of attendance days is 5. Okay. Number of absent is 2. Okay. So what else? I can check marks. Okay, that is maybe we are done with exams and I want to check my exams, and I can see that the mathematics subject is ready and my score in that exams is 100%. Okay, other students also had 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, so this will help the student to know uh, his position or her position in that particular subject, because these are some of the scores of other students, but mine is 100. It means that I've done well. I'm among the best students, right? Though the student will not be able to see the score of other students, but he knows that these are some of the scores that belongs to other students, but he or she will not be able to know the specific score for a particular student. Okay, and let's see what else that I can check. That is calendar event. Okay, if there's an upcoming event or ongoing event, I can see that the inter-school football match, and that is from 4th to that is 20th. Yeah, it's ongoing. I can check transport and everything. Okay, I can also log out as a student. Okay, so there's so many. I can log in as a teacher. Let me do that. So let me first log out first. Okay, so let me go back to front end, and I can select login here again and select teacher login, and I can also enter my username. So the name of this teacher is Darius. The username is Darius, and I can enter my password here. Okay, and click login. And so this is my dashboard as a teacher. Okay, let's say I want to mark my student attendance. I can go to students. So here I can see all the students in my class, their names, their parents' number. Okay, so I can even reach out to them for some, if there is a problem, something like the students have not been coming to school, that particular student has not been coming to school, then I can reach out to that particular student. Okay, right? Okay, good, because their parent name is here. That's parent student one. Parent name is parent one. Okay, and student two parent name is parent two. So yes, 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 yes. Okay, and their phone numbers are here. So if there's a problem in the school and I want to reach out to that particular student, I can do that from here. Okay, good. And let's say I want to mark attendance, so I'll click here and go to student. If I go to teachers, then I want to just view my attendance. uh, that is my attendance as a teacher, not as a student. Yeah, as a teacher. Okay, but I can mark it. So let me go to teachers first. So if I want to view, you see I only have view here. I can click view, and I can see that not no attendance yet entered yet. I can check the date. Let's say check around here 5th and click view. Okay, and that is I was present on the 5th February. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's go to students. This time I want to mark my students' attendance. Okay, so I will click here and select my class. I will only see basic 7 because that is my class. I cannot select any other class because I have added basic 7, basic 8, and basic 9. But since I am a class teacher or a subject teacher at basic 7, I can only see basic 7 student yeah class, or let me put it in that way. So I can just go to add or update, which means that here I can just, okay, so let me first select a date. Okay, let's see. So all my students are here. If I want to mark all of them present, I can select this checkbox to mark all of them present, but student one is absent, so I can just click the absent here to that is to, let's say that is that particular student is absent, so I can say something like sick, or just add a reason why she was absent. Okay, good. And after that I can click submit, and it's successful. Good. And this will the parent can also see the same. I can log in as a parent, but I don't want to go through that. Okay, so as you can see, this is amazing website, right? Yes, I can see that you love it, right? So I'm going to walk you through all the steps, all that you need to know to learn about this, to learn about how to design this website. And as I said, this is a series, so I will be releasing each uh, part in each day. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you not miss any of the tutorials. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.